It's Wingfest time. Yeah, that's right. What do we got? We got chicken wings all over the place. And what are we using? We're starting off. We got some Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. Can you see it? Yeah, right there. And then what do we got next? The spicier sauce, sweet and spicier sauce. Yeah, Uncle Steve's shake. And what am I wearing today? My Uncle Steve's shirt, my Uncle Steve's hat. Yeah. All right, we're gonna show you a couple different little cooks going on right here. We'll show you the beans here in a minute. It's got bacon in it. Yeah. There's more people coming too. What's that? Look at what Chad's doing. Look at them wings. Yeah.
I want to know where you got that.
Everybody's doing their wings a little different.
Oh my gosh.
You did a base of mustard.
Mustard rub with Uncle Steve's shake, and then with some Cajun barbecue sauce. Pig stand.
Yeah.
Papa's are taking a while to cook. Let's go see what's going on. Let's look at Papa's. Yeah. I just have Gator Shake on mine at this moment. We're going to be putting some barbecue sauce on there. Uncle Steve's barbecue sauce. Yeah.
Trying to cook.
Trying to cook.
Yeah.
Hashtag Uncle Steve's Shake.
Yes. We will be doing hashtag Uncle Steve's Shake. This is what we're putting on the chicken, and it's going to be very good.
There you are.
Ah, there I am.
We got the boneless going on over here with Gypsy. Chad's got his looking good. Nice. I like the look of them. Hey. All right, let's check out them beans. Go for it. Oh yes, give a little stir. Look at that.
They smell good and they taste good.
And that's Saucy, the tugboat chef.
Yep, ice here. I'm not on the boat.
Why did they move? Because I've been telling them.
Papa Rhonda needs some video.
That's drained. Not been at 1 hour. This is the moon. This is supposed to be wider and higher. And they darkened it somehow. That's what they did before. And keep in mind, they darkened it up. Well, they wouldn't.
Bread's almost ready. Got the garlic butter out. Is it good?
More heat?
Wow.
When it's raining. And it'll do that same watches.
Alright, here's our different kind of
Over
wings.
there by that thing, by the black table.
What is in this one? Whoa, look at that.
I think this is a mustard base.
Oh, okay.
Look at that base. Go over here. Check this out. We got a few more going. Not sure how good you can see that. We got some tater salad, macaroni salad.
Of course, everybody's got
Chad's not here. What do you call this?
What did he call his?
Anyway, we got some bread.
It's like
we
a
got
summer
some
salad.
homemade garlic.
Pasta salad, summer
butter.
salad.
Wait, that's all barbecue.
Diet? What diet?
There's no diet this weekend.
Yeah, there's no diet.
I'm going with